Affordable rental housing complexes, an initiative of Government of India under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. COVID-19 forced a large-scale reverse migration of urban migrants and poor who stay in slums, unauthorized colonies and in peri-urban areas to cut down on their rental cost. Non-availability of housing close to workplace adversely impacts their productivity. In line with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and for providing ease of living to urban migrants and poor, ARHCs have been initiated by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The target beneficiaries of ARHCs will be migrants from economically weaker section and lower income group categories, laborers, street vendors, rickshaw pullers, migrants working in market and trade associations, manufacturing units and hospitality sector, students, long-term tourists and visitors, industrial workers, and those working in educational and health institutions, etc. ARHCs will be implemented in all statutory towns, notified planning areas, development authorities, special area development authorities, industrial development authorities, and any other areas as notified by a state government or union territory. ARHC's projects will be considered for approval till the mission period of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, that is March 2022. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs will apply a two-pronged approach to roll out ARHCs in the most effective way. In Model 1, existing government-funded vacant houses will be utilized by converting them into ARHCs through public-private partnership. In Model 2, public-private entities will construct, operate and maintain ARHCs on their own vacant land for a period of 25 years. Incentives and benefits will be given for operating ARHCs. While the central government will provide concessional project finance, exemption in income tax and GST, and technology innovation grant, states and union territories will provide use permission changes, 50% additional FAR FSI free of cost, single window approval within 30 days, trunk infrastructure up to project site, and municipal charges at par with residential property. ARHCs will bring a much-needed relief to a large section of intended beneficiaries and promote cooperative federalism. The initiative will prove to be a win-win-win for all.